that for you.
I'm doing the selfie mode.
Quick. I'll throw a snowball at you.
I'll throw one back at you.
No, you won't.
I will. Here's campground.
Huh.
I told you.
Whatever.
Alright folks. Getting closer to the Big Rocky Hollow Falls.
AKA the main waterfall.
The main waterfall.
I don't know if anybody really remembers the name of it.
Me. And look at this, we got some stepping stones. Probably need to use them instead of getting water over my boot. There's the bat signal stump. Doesn't look like the bat signal right now. Well, just like a winter wonderland. Wow, it's so pretty. Here's another boat rock for you, covered in icicles. It's just amazing. Here's about my face level. 6'5". So, sun's coming out. Sun's out, fun's out. That's so pretty. I can hear the waterfall up in there. All right, folks. The main fall is roaring. I remember one time a guy graffitied this bridge with his Instagram handle. So I took a picture of it, tagged it on Instagram, but also tagged DNR, and he deleted this account. I don't know why. I mean, I figured he'd want to see other people seeing him and tagging him, but I guess he didn't think of that. There it is. Trail treats on. We'll get a little closer. We'll let Michelle get some pics. It's roaring enough where there's another one over here. I've seen it way stronger, but it's still pretty good, so it's all that matters. Such a pretty canyon. So pretty. Isn't that cool? That's just a little one. We got the big one. The big one. Wind's blowing the snow around, making it really pretty. Almost looks like it's snowing again, just the wind blowing it. That tree's new. Probably came down during the ice storm. As you can see, I'm at the closest I can without being uncomfortable on the way back. Michelle's hanging out in the cave. We're the only ones here. I see people coming though, so we're gonna have company here before too long. So amazing. All right, you don't always see this one running, so pretty cool. Bluffage. Plenty of bluffage. All right, folks. Now we're gonna walk the road back. Right down there's Happy Hollow. We like to hit it during mushroom season. Warmer weather. Usually get clobbered by mosquitoes in the process, but still a good time. Definitely pretty. Definitely pretty. Bluff View picnic area. And the good thing about taking this up, even though it's kind of a little ways away from where we parked, is there's some really big pine trees up here. Old pine trees. You could see one of them ahead. It's huge. And I tell you what, I'm a calm guy, but if they ever tried to cut those down, I would likely chain myself to them. Because they're nice, they're beautiful, they're not hurting anyone. And it'd be nice to see what they look like in snow. All right, here's the big pines. They're so big they look like regular trees and look like pine trees. There's one right there, covered in snow, looks pretty. There's one there. It'd be even prettier, be harder, but it'd be prettier if this whole road was covered. That ain't a critter down there, is it?
Did you hit your head?
There, folks. Here's a big pine. Looks pretty with the wooden dividers. Another big one. A couple of them. Just looks like a regular tree. That's how old and big it is.
I mean, isn't a pine a regular tree?
Yeah, you know, like a one with, usually you just see pines straight up in the air.
Telephone poles.
Telephone poles. That was like branched out like it's an oak. It's a wannabe oak.
Centennials.
The centennials.
Is that what we call them?
I think so. These are the two pines that we love the best. Love the most.
They're our guards.
Yeah, they're like the guards. The guardians
of the park.
Yep, the guardians of the fern. They're cool. Some people hate pines. It's all right. I'm sure some people hate you. But now the road's pretty clear, but I'm sure when they closed it, it was probably covered in snow. So, you know, it's not like they're closing it because it's clear. But in all honesty, I don't know, I kind of feel like closing it's a little bit more hazardous, just in case someone does fall, unless all the emergency services have a key to the main gate, because there's no other way to get in here. But that's pretty. And I mean, I don't think you're gonna keep people out, even if you put a trail closed barricade at the trailheads. People are gonna do it anyway. But that's the lake. Very pretty. Just a really pretty trail to hike during the fall with the colors. The cedars and stuff, they add a lot of color to it. And it just makes it really pretty. It's an easy mile loop. It's probably not really easy today, but you know, on any given day that's not slippery and muddy, snowy and muddy. So I love the new signs they're putting up. I think that's really great. Probably a little bit easier to maintain. The wooden ones are cool, but you know, these ones are a little easier to replace. So there's blackjack oak. It's usually how we enter this trail. Michelle and her elevation. She likes hills.
Suck it up, Buttercup.
They call her the hill crusher.
Whatever.
All right, folks. Almost back to the truck. We're at the gate. Definitely a good time. So far, 3.1 miles. We've done a 5K. Deer Ridge Campground. So if you get to this 4-way, you just go through the Deer Ridge Campground, and on your left will be the trailhead to Blackjack Oak. Just be careful if it's snowy. I'm not going to tell you not to do it because a lot of people do it. I'm not encouraged you to do it, that's all your own, but just be careful. Pretty tree, pretty scene. That'd be something to paint right there. Really pretty.
Look at the icicles hanging off of it.
Oh yeah, that is a cool tree. There's a deer.
Oh, hi.
Hi deer.
Hi, sweetie.
How you doing?
Come here.
We're friends.
Want some food? Okay, fine.
See, hey, the gate's closed. Had a little friend. Little friend stopped by.
I'm not sure what I would have done if it would have come.
Boy, there's all sorts of big ones out there. All right, folks, we are back. 3.3 miles. I guess I might as well show it. That's what you get. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, see you on the trail.